advertisers daily and frequently.
Oyede eba Andy Casillas ewa ha odi bewram ewo amanonin nsem ya hwa amanonin nsem no ne ade afisam na to aso Manchester City they say meaning team ebe show at a point it looked like now Wolves ebe more competition first goal na own goal and Wolves take ano na hona Man City action started here and they scored 3 more at the end almost 4 goals to 1. Samson and Juventus, so they needed some magic from Morata. First half, Juventus and Spezia and goalless. And of course, there was a goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. Yababa shared ni na some matches no. And then so ebi to Manchester United are in action against Crystal Palace. Yababa share any matches I would do and also Ekosu nyina no. Yade hon some eba. Amanonin some no and the aircraft or yebe room. Oh yebe fear. The Ababa Chef is some neighbor Roma Santiago, Roma Hearts of Folk, a Diana Stars, a Brantier Feno, a Farouk Adams, a Diana Stars, a Brantier. I saw the car, a Kobo police ni, a Kuno, Sana Yateno, na, no, say, and a honsome etie. And somewhere by, you know, Sene can, the neck can answer is already a Bob police ni Kuno. Na, say no, a Brantier, yates on the Neko court. Yen sentweni odoma ebema said yen semi nyina siye ene said yesitie sanso ene ni chief superintendent Anthony Apia ono ene doma divisional commander ono so a narrative story no e dia tire the sansem no eba yebe romo sansem ni ahwe said yesitie asanti go board meeting also me na go players na san start almost sika bi on se de mo sankan na eni chomba so ko board meeting no na mo de mo sam go to board na because it looks like almost management no enti o masem saying it here unim sa Santiago ko any players and send some go pay appeals committee na say ano uza ko ethics and ethics really my players no na say na e call appeals because ko appeal decision no appeal committee the omo you ready grad omo decision about bonting na me hu se kujofiano nom try some be mediate as Gaga chairman so mediate no require ko go betimi any place betina asumdue mu na se payment plan bi kra eno coach Maxwell Kunadu yase no so de eba sika oji wa Santiago ko da board nanim board nigga so mecha 9,000 so be 66 na eno se say na akwakopie anaza akwakosie ni nyina no ye ho nsam ayede eba ewo eyejumadi so ene nsam ahodo a Yabono coach Samuel Bodu washani jumadi ase with Hearts of Folk. Na how to say yade honsam subeba ene nsama hodo a yabono ewo ejumadi so nyina Andy say nipa wadi amia pa ewo social media Michael Essien.
Yeah.
Na unim say Michael Essien ade bi okotro to social media efa gay any homo it's a gay for any homosexuals okay gay no the okay gay na ye okay mema na homo ni mema bema so nyongo bema ho na kono and a man so oba so nyongo ba na ho na kono ade no so tie say AC oh AC cross section ba ni bema oh na kama kono na esi engo ka say o stand with omo on you believe in equality. And no, or try to pull it down post no, but we lose over 500,000 followers on Instagram, and shockingly, Andy, we lose 1 million followers on Twitter. Now, Michael Essien, almost 1.7 million followers. Our Twitter.
Yeah.
So say Michael Essien, the Twitter handle no, I got 688,000 followers. Any. This is Michael Essien. Michael Essien over 1 million. Say, is there over 1 million? Close to 2 million. Say, I got 688,000 followers. And a Michael Essien, Enya. Na, Enya Michael Essien, kwa Sister Debbie, Deborah.
Sister Debbie.
Sister Deborah.
Deborah, but the showbiz name is Sister
Debbie. No, no boy.
Oh. Oh, Nancy Akran on a strong man and Enu Baron. Omobe ba could be against medical.
When is an American in the crowd?
Ah, when America Janko Fafelan.
Ah, okay.
Ninyane one love Kobolo.
The going on necessary.
Aye.
Ninyan.
I didn't.
Wow. Oh, okay. I also say I've lost like 5K followers on IG, and I won't stop. I don't want any homophobes following me anyway. That's to be homophobe. Will be all dislike for homosexuals. Okay. Anyway, no. Also, no, the on also on your phone. One also lose 5,000 followers on Instagram. Say on also a preachy. You know, was a preaching for say omo preaching legalizing even. Okay, Mate. No. A idea trendy power a social media looks like people are really upset about a comments.
Comment ni bi on my yentimi emfa ma.
Obi so afi what I said in just and we just say penalty. Na no fast we just. Say nation kan hunti. Nation bobo ni bi. Mom nyasa. It looks like man for they didn't cut too far.
Yeah.
People are going too far.
From the last day Asian tweets are there no or this are post nearby no. Tembia or trendy, or trends where Ghana world or trendy, and comment and go for the ban chairman. Eh, now be an washi. Let me person screenshot be near, but it be one my west now washi pop.
Young share Asian previous. I'm saying 1.4, no 1.7. 1.4 million followers. I know you're there. Was it Instagram?
No, where Instagram?
Okay, Instagram. Instagram didn't about 1.4 this year. Can you know 1.9? 1.9. They say we lose 500,000 followers.
Yeah.
500,000 followers. And they say about 1.4. And on Instagram they will lose over close to 1 million.
Yeah.
Wow.
The Asama Obekadie. The child also will pull it at the end down, but or the buy.
Assembly is sensitive. We in a position like, ACN celebrity. You don't talk about it. Obi an opinion, but if you said it's yes sensitive, no, you can decide to keep quiet about it. What I say, how mom so be come talk omonko. Don't go come obi. What I say. Until they just you maybe I will keep quiet about it, but. Said the amount voice you are taking no, and the post or yeah, go fast same way in Abanini. Or say we see you, we hear you, we support you. Our LGBTQIA no plus community in Ghana. Okay. And also Ghana supports equality. Now, and or the two I go find the same way in Michael Listen, and it looks like Michael Listen a lot of bashing on social media, on Instagram, on Twitter. On Facebook, a man for a bashi is pa. Well, show live and so a Kwaku's phone repair. Kwaku or shop a St. Paul's as on Fashui over Niagara cra into a child to pay. My who bed this Nibi. I say good morning. Please help me wish my son Gerald Sappho Gerard. When you Gerald. Where Gerard? What the you your Gerard? And your Gerald. Where Gerard? Suffer your boy when you're 9 years. Gerard suffer your boy. Oh, Konongo Domia bra. Oh, Papa. I say, always show a happy birthday. Always show God's blessings, protection, and prosperity for you. From Joe of France, Toulouse. It's a Toulouse, Toulouse, another Toulouse. And now they we free and so abba. It's not say, I don't know. Yanko, I'm an name. Christian, Bibiamo Code. He said, Michael, listen, and watching or social media. It looks like he's come under a lot of bashing.
Sir Gaze says, unse a man for commentia, only a lot of passion in commenting. Man for the buffon, a casa seminal. Ain't you know, so can be, especially when you are some Becano in favor of a gay and lesbians now. And so very, very careful. The main Tiasi and they say, those who are only involved don't think it is their right. Meboa. Yeah. Bayena Yenso have the right to accepting or rejecting them, no more problem. If you think it is your right to be gay, obey lesbian.
Obey still comment on also. The Jamaica answer obey Sanabia. I'm a father also yet.
But
the thing is illegal in Ghana.
But
it is against the laws of this country.
Me say, Utemi. So when the na woye sade no.
O say all right.
So what you say all right.
Also and support Adiano.
Yeah.
And you also need right.
Maybe want the right to accept or rejecting it.
Okay.
But you don't have to accept. Umbeso be respect means me right. When it is your right, respect the right of other people as well. Yen nyina di tum. What say your right? Your sexual preference is your own choice. Obi any problem because it does not affect anybody. I also have the right of whether to accept you or reject you. Give me that right too. It is also my right. It is something abana too critical, so dice amount for this so much emotions and I can't want them. So especially in the context of a Ghanaian community. I am norms ni bibia ni emre tiani die. When your comment seems to be supporting and the man and na chairman ubenya a lot of public bashing. So can be why I prepared say bashing e bani die. You are ready to accept them.
So far them say sister Debbie you say on your phone also no phobia or Sunday will lose 5,000 followers but she doesn't care. Obi tries boko there to say the tiano no adewe so babeje social media space no and Michael Essien will lose over 1 million followers on Twitter.
And does it in terms of economic impact net is saying who loses our followers now for Sikasem Kofomana
for Michael Essien be affecting the commercial value on Twitter. Say Twitter no obi say I'm for commercializing.
Now in the case of Michael Essien, does it make him broke?
Oh no we haven't gone there.
No I don't want to place so much emphasis on the number of losses he's gained.
The number of followers you have on Twitter no or commercialize here. For instance a friend say na say no say Cristiano Ronaldo no tweet back bi a won ball. Saint Evans say bi as a Gillette better contract Cristiano Ronaldo say on retweet on post.
Yeah.
It be retweet back bi a better charge Gillette 10 million.
Yeah.
What you say? Yeah. Many Messi and no so more commercial nyoma almost sponsor money yeah. But the essence is how
the reaction of
absolutely support people,
absolutely
who followed him, people who liked him
absolutely. So the loss Nankasano in terms of the numbers on the pages, various pages, no, is not my concern. My concern is the ordinary Ghanaian on the street in a reaction to what Michael Essien has done, and I the other way to obey 2 days ago. The other kind, a son say, enka ye su any ye bra ye bo mamu hanintino. A idea ubia ni so say oye ubia wedroom pempen so Michael, especially in the case of Michael Essien, when him say your Chelsea supporters be brea Michael Essien inti. Especially from this country, and they support Chelsea. In fact, you were Ghanaian players who be Abedi Pele, who be Tony Abuanu Mefrio, Crawford footballers, omu impempenso omu drew ya no Ghana for the pure omu drew some impempenso na Michael Essien account especially in this modern day. Into for example under 20 tournament here cause for Mauritania oni ahwe mu ayese player bi wom for example Philemon Barford Obotui ana Ishaku Fatao yes ofi Michael Essien academy e wo Cape Coast. And I say, Michael Essien hospital yi kra ewo nkran yi kra no omo make available 100 beds for this whole COVID-19 issues. And now senior Tony Didier Drogba no mo ye no say share any major football tournament bi brem ye ka ho a ubon say Samuel Eto'o Didier Drogba pre Cote d'Ivoire for FA presidency no inti say ye nia Michael Essien obo from Chelsea till date yente nka obiante nka wo mema yente nka say Michael Essien na discover player bi ama player no se sia no na team ni jana ye wo team bi ana kotoko ni ha si kura no Michael Essien na bro mu player bi a ye hu ne so player da yente Michael Essien nka ba mfie beduni ye beti nka asem a eko against our tradition and Michael Essien eba be supporting. That's where the problem is. In terms of the numbers on, I'm sure that Michael Essien is not a broke guy. So if you follow him or unfollow him, he's still Michael Essien. But supporter Ghana for the man no any dear na Ghana for share mu say Michael Essien the football no be even or retire. Yeah, no near who free opinion ho, and I'm sure say he's regretted just placing that into America say maybe Michael Essien is no more a Ghanaian. So Kotsna broche no because the difference and say baby Michael Essien say or Denmark so England so Azerbaijan so Indonesia or more traditional any idea no in soon near them or more bet me agya to mu amano beba Ghana had ya debi in cramofo or more musum abosom or more musum Christo in this particular case of this LBGT plus and all of that, we have a common ground. And fortunately, yamra ni munuso yes mrano nye too strong, but idea yamra no so chese san yoma bisa no enya dia isuso ye so yamra nim inti so you obi to say the odu obi a wo the status of Michael Essien na you expect so Ghana football cry no but so Michael Essien na chair na dream of Ghana football ho why only pure FM for akasa say Ghana football no or the investors be ba and or the coach be ba and now why any pro license we into Yempe club man no onto Michael Essien in Canada. Eno na ha Ghana for no se betie nua ya boa no ama na dru mpempenso odru ye no oba be kasa na asem bi sei na ode eba. So I just hope say eno me kasa yem fanche no yem fanche ye nua no mfumso obi ahom ye sure say ono ankasa no minim di okọ de nkomo no di anopa no sorry ye de no ye e man this ade no beto ni page no so say ni say I support you, I see you. Footballers be brewa ha. So Michael Essien to talk to boots or top boots 1,000 crab a cha. Dimpa. One winty akwese sikano no sounds wo dimpano but tweet back. That's why I say social media hono. Especially Essien no money or more madusa. Munya careful on your mamu posting.
Exactly. Meka said there was a day so I had to come on the morning show. Ever was hard because Mekai public relations class. I'm a tonight fortune teller, me lecture. As I'm back kind, the first thing kind say, you are what you tweet, you are what you say on social media. And it might be used against you someday.
Yeah.
Unimua. Because I did often say, oh, social media may tro. Basade na watch no. In Susansu betmenya. Oh, a brabosono. It's in them mentioning Baba no one watch tro. No, yeah, oh, we can't case me enjoy. Baba will be Baba will be this is so kama unze nema Baba over here ngoye yom hono mo dia so tweet snap ne wa why ye bi onti obi a case na me na doma ma ise wasesa na brabo wanya branche kama branche zo Baba we person ne bobra branche fra bruchiraba ohu or the Baba we party ba ko bi no say hey we no akofa no so what day o say hwe drum nya de ncherewe na social media no ade no mo je ne ko Google YouTube na akaso o the ba ko search ya no each other way no so say tini me oba ne bia me mzim beta mo na no nya de Google amante wo no. Imagine how long it will take you to explain yourself.
Absolutely.
Every great according to us. It's in number 4 now on social media. You got to did you obiatem. Number chotro, they repair any you know. It will come back to haunt you.
The internet never forgets.
Yes.
Internet, when they are there to
it never forgets.
Will never forget.
Exactly.
And that's why you have to be very careful when you are tweeting or writing something on the internet.
And then say tweet back. Oh, as Marco Fabreno.
Chairman, minimobia or an American interview.
American business.
Facebook post. I don't make you reference to it. It is a question.
Of course, it's you.
In Facebook poster, he made a post about the American president.
Yo.
And a call interview.
Also, come start done a second.
I didn't quite tell why make you post in there 4 years ago and make you post about the American president. And a call interview. Was there anyone? Sir, nipa no interview. Let me pull that statement from the Facebook post.
I was say
writing in
people don't
media.
I'm not phone share.
Yeah.
Oko Facebook, you try to what's on your mind.
Mm-hmm.
What's on your mind? Then what dream? What dream?
Yeah.
Now what tro? Say and the answer and the say. That's end what dream. You have a house in the wood. Oh, Diagueno. Essien, ena nipa do, eye bibia. Ebia will views, but sometimes it is better to keep quiet about them, especially when you know this issue near very sensitive.
Yeah.
Pair setting.
Yeah.
Ebia how can Amanoni for one doesn't have a problem.
Absolutely.
Because setting
because of them so Ghana ni. This time Michael Essien no. I was here also kasa near Bisan so penny. Onye Ghana ni biomo na. Because in Komo bi say no. So ukra no betro bibi e sanse baby a wujina no betro bibi na Ghana for e di akira. What's on your bushing for Motigan Hakra soon? So, oh, me crown me enough for me more than Macano. I almost say, ya Uncle Foy send me a Ghana for senior moody and yet. Now me crown, omni me ding commerce and come in Faba Kubin Tum, now Mu say, Miss Moho. Now Mukra mo dream was saying what Ghana. Oh, mammy, no young Beccajo's on ya. A dear D 2 way. Also, a dow basic Ghana and one shot taxi crowd beyond my own fubi. Because one shot dear Betchino, now Johnny Panachi, oh yeah, the SM Fata. One winty, oh yeah, dear na, no, I careful kakra. One winty, Asian, dear, dear Messer, and say I'm fine channel because, of course, or sound delete, who delete at the end of switch, when you one way the traditional cost. Or the traditional angle to it. I'm so say or Asian bibia you okay or bob na but ni refi say ninchi no bibia unchi free no e ho na e wosan ka wo hwe ni ansa na odi bibisa atudwa me sure say na for me emrofo no o make us oh yes you did well but o bahana o ma me ni of course o ma me kwa sorry women's fellowship no be decide we ko kire o ma me wa sorry wan hwe kura na ni etu ma me asan won hu nti implications no ya fam ha no e yes and I'm sure say Michael maybe
of sure say by now there well I'm coming on him but the ten said the kind no e different settings ye nyan mom ye Ghana for me tia buchi mem no ye okro bi a ye legalize sade no e ho na wo tie kro no e culture e na omo wo ho wo no ye Ghana ni oba okro ma o culture different enti e kro no na agya to ma ye kro na agya to what important as ye kro no enye sade ntum and our president has said it openly publicly say it would never and Obaka ex-president even the late president John Evans Atamils Ekai and our certain president JM so said the same thing say it won't happen under his watch. Nana don't so the same thing. So me pay our culture, pay our setting. Sadly ni henti mesre say ye nyina ye mfanche Michael Essien but ababa and no was on your phobia ho the munambundi we say no one there be no you so no zo nyobia ana oh no you so to say me ana ordinary Ghanaian no also celebrity e krom ha that be yeah nya Ghana for no actually na adwin obi a betumi a chere oh yan nya na 9cc form chawa mo de no vi ho de no mo ho ba
proper definition of who is
we mu de chawa Michael Essien na chiro bibie hu na we mu de obi pa ozi nyeri nya na na ni pa oti ya so 9cc forms we go nya shoes na shoes Moses Mukraze no Moses
okay well yabafienso adoma asema esi abranti friend of Farouk Adams quite unfortunate. I mean, I was so sad about what had happened. Now, picture in the a bit disturbing to me. Why be our share a yina say umujaga na ehadweno. Police ni obi asemo room kaka police ni way. Ena ode car no ball no.
Yeah.
Hit and run.
Yeah, hit and run. And
no, the ball no, right no, Janikoi.
And Okoshia Otemua for na judges no more for case we no deal with you. I feel sorry for Farouk because Farouk here one talented defender, one of my favorite defenders. You know, a class of defenders here. Farouk, Yakubu Muhammad, Obubulebu, omo classic caliber man kwa no mu nyina no. Yes, you know, a team a special almost center backs, you know. For the last 7 or so years, they've produced Paul Edu Medusa no nyina no abubobo anti
a young man, a young policeman.
Problem is reckless driving and careless driving a offense. But you see, so I want to get the full facts of this case. And so purpose for you know DSC yankasa. Now so initial investigation she say the car bobi and now the car bobi and now oja hokoye. Now they had say the car no ko sie sankomo saka no akwabi ne doors any onkomo saka ne kala. You know, you're trying to escape crime. And this is a peace officer. You know,
the car go change the color.
Change dodgy no.
Because then the car the board go na fan to came now machine inquire say accident.
Adieche na aposi ni edanwuram. Ni omo amet ama branch any case. I'm just hoping say prosecutor no menya the full facts or the better otemua for any minute. But I'm sure say net there. Ni 2 weeks be there, ni 2 weeks remand. From the few facts I'm kind of there. Me sure so temua for no be man say I mean I'm not sure that will happen, especially that angle of negligence, duty of care, you know, and that duty of care is expected of every reasonable person. Otemwa phone baby said now who ankasa no hauti ono what dream not at saying because who the car bobi ni papa no obefa nipa kro no now de na kwa spiti ni ahwe no now beja nipa no ho na ade abechi so na
bonus eyi wura mukura we picture ya that Facebook lives this year chabante bibi kwa bonechi a okọ ne be
I'm say okoto repellent TB and so I want to listen to the defense Farouk Adams the lawyers at the betu Ghana no pay I'm person me who exact I'm say magistrate court ne one field magistrate me person me who ni defense ne lawyers no at betu otemwa for them, but from what I've read it does not look good and minim say case no obo na no na ehona na ye one case ni but ni pa ne dan room ma de chinye ma obi na atwa mako hu so man bi dan room a car bon ani moto ne dan nchen nti ni moto no ho no e no mu hu se ba bi atwitwi na color na ho no ye red nti color no car no moto no red na na titare ho no mu hu se car ne color na red and I'm so na no pay commander ne say obi CCTV and now mo ko J tapes no mu di hu car na born no mo tracy number no hu say Farouk Adams car number omo hwehwe car na say na no so car no ye de akoshe fitem I mean this I mean from what the police commander akano a clear intent to commit crime and it's unfortunate say one share na branch you bet me only 2 weeks there. And me share 2
weeks the remand.
Remand.
2 weeks ago had jail time.
Remand need constant because and me share doma baby a branch day say in your full picture of the first one remand in your dia is unfortunate. Obi so on the contract ni only Diana Stars omo contract into obo kakra dia hwe chire kakra na same way I got to know isa what
Christian
mistakes dey na yebi we mistakes dey bia but we mistakes ni we are own up and take responsibility.
Exactly.
Say his refusal to own up and take responsibility accompanying the situation.
Of course, I might say, well, this is the policeman, young chap, the police in there, or the car born
from the Wamfie Magistrate Court to the Sunyani High Court.
It involves human life. Asabi Kenya no enye adibia ya asem ketua bi asa o. A human life is involved. For all you know, a branch in your family or abusianfo.
Of course.
Probably a young man crying if you start a family. any oba bi tie bi wa akora ketewa bi akora no so
the Brenton is just 24 years old.
Oh,
police officer.
Yeah. Just a young man. Young man.
Constable. Now new recruits be our baby you.
Onim say the how many say chairman ebia e ka card ball no. And now ye na just say obegino afa Brenton in that hospital ebia nko mu. He could have saved a woman life. Right now crime na ko emi nu. Obo ni wi na was I refuse to send the hospital no as I cause a human life. Now in all this situation na Brenton then go realize say o see a kind ma team wa ni right judge team na obo no ni wura e yo obi adwuma o ye ni say ona obo oye uphold Ghana mra ni nyina na ba team ni wura is one of the people they are responsible for upholding Ghana mra. And you know, we yes I didn't know what you watch. Sometimes all of these time to be mistakes in the baby. We don't want to own up and take responsibility. And they sanka Brenton no edika ne born we nanka Brenton no policeman we ye kra ne kwa what in the call hospital e woni apa e bianka punishment be lesser.
Absolutely.
Because we have owned up.
I'm sure say mo be charge with reckless driving na be bisa but we no case we no ahwe betumi adane manslaughter o. Betumi adane manslaughter, accidental death. Manslaughter charge no mo de be bono. Nti I feel sorry for the challenges a Ghanaian.
And I understand sir, this young policeman is just 6 months in the force.
Oh,
very young. Just 6 months in the police force. Such a nice young man. And just like we are saying, Farouk could have done better.
Absolutely.
He should have done better.
Absolutely.
To hit and run. Or the ball no. Or the ball no far no the koya. And we will say AM Quenchia NSC. And no son Mrano Kwani Udia and Udino ye Kaka. Someone born a Johnny could change the color of the card ye. And no dear Nessa what about Trimupo say
Chairman I said any player in go some I do a test you hit and run a test.
And now Obi Owa Chroma amount for Obi to be the can with Johnny. Now oye Obi the Bobby no Johnny. And it's many no. Sometimes
many people commit crime or memoirs here but we say there is judgment. There are consequences for every action you take in this country, in this world, especially when human life is involved. So the car will be in Pakro. No what to can now.
Obviously, we can police force. I also can police service.
The forces are with the military. Service, immigration, police.
So they service.
Yes,
they serve.
Yeah, they serve.
As I say, they service one way or the other. The public and they serve the public, but the TNS we must enforce you. So that we move away from the service to force. What I say? By military force.
Yeah, military force.
By way police service. Yeah, and see to serve and protect.
Yeah.
So that we
service with integrity.
Service with integrity.
Yeah.
And see, I don't know. A hardship.
Yeah.
Oh, the young
okay.
Na yango hede wa amano ne yeba nsam no de aka ni sa case yankasa yeba betie Doma Divisional Commander Chief Superintendent Anthony Apia ono so narrate the story from the angle of the police yenua sentwani ba ko so be kire ne de amai na Aduana Stars angle no so ye de owram ne ahwese de Aduana nso o maso ye no asam no so esitie ewo ehonom enti yeba behwe eno eho ensam ne owram nso ewo coach Samobodu change my diase no and no sia ba behwe na asante go players nse ombeso mo ko board meeting no ombeso mo ko omo se ombeso mo ko board meeting ho no mo ko masem ho omo se ka no doso it omo ko board meeting onse me kai do we o be kan no ha ya ne ba bia ene wa anya adwen say sa as an issue West Biano okay communication and also can about a high sense deal no say be grad
5,000
now 5,000 no the Enkoma other teams no e just say back kotoko
Yeah.
for the lose a
Yeah.
ombo draw no mu win a
Yeah.
5,000 bomb
Yeah.
players not transfer the pen paper ato ho a calculate and we say almost 5,000 bia e drew 40,000 now 40,000 no almost mu busa management say is sky kotoko I don't see David masa mo say so be sha ojeko yeah to me mama ni bakwa ansha e ba ye ho to motivate us to win
Yeah.
it is sika o say about playing body no not playing body no ejidi
Yeah.
it's omo joma de and so ko bibia ho ehon nsem ye ba be ram awo jumadi so ene ensema ahodo a yapoa no I dey but for the sake of education and clarity on this matter of Farouk no ko bi yentie chief superintendent no oh ni yentie said yasem no esi ewo doman potem
yam zanin ansa ya kola ba ko consable emos or Snapchat duty kwan so between Esotiano and associates because of robbery you know the creative Snapchat as and I able to make a combat to robbery or kwan so anti ones or hono the swans on brambe mosquito repellent is and I room on as a channel heading or first nanka mu Esotiano don Akwamu Johnson but you feel send a situation the tie no na say movie call inside on rim was an honor robberies actually get closer to the crime area. Now, better all and say final so now and says I can share the buy. So Jan Honum a coy say now or down the rip on a motor since that rim. But our car or so on back. The sergeant not fret but some of you my no. There are some set party on that some but okay no baby okay well let's see how best to see I'm not doing that winning I'm not you are making calls moving around when I'm sending be a bit no home so say I'm a past 7 o'clock to me a go home body no the edda room a crowd number 2 and so that run see na yeah farm the best much for no na I'm saying na you create teams na or teams about 2 or 3 I'm saying when few one district no amount to home together with some investigators
Pure FM 95.7
if you can be fast one to me and you driver now or born now jump one here and see this is how I be should buy it also I could now yes certain now we're able to get the vehicle driver now the car now a bone number through the number no to me owner can na better point the depends on that they to me we are to the owner of the vehicle or your opa the no castle well or the ma obi Farouk they were able to get really yes I can now no to say at the end to be say wabo bibi but we who say a nipa na I say a boy be anyway yes I know also see a crack of here in the car who will be there on the 2 by and so the same bar about a hospital a Winfrey hospital the pay treatment no coffee and yes expect us that is how it is there's already strange but when I make us say I idea maybe a crowd in the hospital and Edgena, or I could be going to me, a polite mention. So now we try listening at 2 on the just imagine.
well enti we any said there in some no akoye
Are you ready? Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Right right, live on PL 95.7 FM. Sanso and Awutie, Watakra de Awutie Nka, Eddie Free Cheers 90.7. Who join you on Facebook? And I PL FM Ghana on Facebook. PL FM Ghana on Facebook. When you video now, what like here, no, I shall like here. Now, one sweat me, I shall say, Pian sweat my kama. Yeah, Kona Famaraning Sama, and set me a latest. No, yeah, didn't you answer Eddie at media tuja. Yeah, Shannon Samna game, Kakran sweat me toja. Yeah, dear, who send me an answer bet me about Piemo. I the Italian Serie A, no necessary 2 games in a Timbaso. Nemoka said we are about to just like you. Any Torino game, neither some idea like your team and perform Mokai. Emma Muswet me a fly coprem and so Torino. Essence of their COVID-19 issues. Nebia Coso, and Tiana set him and sweat me fly march no, and Penfoot me a postpone this game no, and Ranch Juventus setting a fee. Wom Esher 3 Emma Club Francis Spezia, Wom and Sweat me at a branch of Francis Morata, one at me go Federico Chiesa, and after Cristiano Ronaldo, Wom and a ball 3 goals. Juva and Robbie Bian sweat me a camera club and friends Juventus. He didn't answer Eddie Tuja, name UPM the Premier League in a match back. And so it's me to Bobo Conference of Man City. ETS Sports Complex one it's me share former Wolves at Kenbako, a branch of friends at Dandonka, one Enya Ongo in Man City, or friends and Gabriel Jesus, one it's me about 2 goals, Emma Riyad Marasari Bako, a piece of corner quality, and it's me a consolation Bako, Edema Club and friends of Wolves. I want some no. Yet Emma Ensu Shono Sanano pay. Now my main fan to get Oko other games and Ensu Abaso and I both 6 so 2 matches and Abaso Burnley Airborne Eddie Etienne Leicester City Sounds no Shalford woman and Aston Villa match the bet me to ga now 8:15 PM no Crystal Palace Abatenafi woman and Manchester United match means to bet me to ja Nina A games Abaso no some no yet Emma Ensu Ewe Jumadine Sanano pay and a later Sabarina no yet to get Sounds no French League Nema games and Subakoso and now the about 6 PM games on and a Basso Club and friends at Brass Betenafi, any Dion betting their Pimpem so and watch Olympic Leon body at Tiasta Rene, Mets Air body at Angels, Club and friends in the OGC needs, any names Olympic game near Basso, Samsung Saint Etienne, and so body at Tiel and Samsung Bordeaux, any Paris Saint-Germain match and Subet Miatuja, Chairman Wako Dim.
Okay, my meaning go get to Edinburgh. My meaning go get to Edinburgh. Yanko Ahumane so na Yane. Angie Chenkomo na yen hwe sade eho esitie hello Angie Angie Zesia Angie who is Zesia
mini ameda Zesia me no kasa ide me wodoma hin ko Zesia
Angie and some ayatene ha ene de Ghana nyina edi ho abobo yen some fa Farouk Adams ho I say oni police ni bi reverse ni just say as the car ko born no oni motorbike na udwane ye anyone says what in some way chia a free moabesi anopay sign and seminal SCC.
Yeah, word me that my share what you're showing in and anopay. And I say a real 3:34 and I team names and you say Diana Stars defender. So look Adams, any police officer do Aqua Crash or a Doma Brekum Road. I'm a true that the police officer no I'll share them. And you see, and Yantiana and Murana Yabanai Echo 1 police station, a whole Ayadoma Easter, Assembly. You call police station, say a quack of pension. Now you call your name and Libra now Bentini. Now in 20 take a crowd of one. Yan said a Yankee movia, and see a buyer. I let piano play and Messiah, and now they are met the other. Maybe some Mechi, Namahuno Cray woman, now you're here. And see, they may shoot more me. And what someone American. Intimidation more extra say Farouk Adams now ofri Shinaya Menitra Doma and a police officer and so then ofri 1 fear Menitra Brekum Quine so. Intia Sotiano and a Tisiantem and a side incident in the Farouk any police officer and cockra say. Now to that no and a Oshe no can. Intimidation Musra and what you know Farouk instead send the officer and the court hospital. Treatment no ojan ho e na onu mom ekọ won tie polyclinic ekoje ayalese e ma omo ekohwe no ntie no ati no ade tie enwa e na police fo ni nya ntie se obi awu e de room ho mo kohwe e na mo hu se officer Amos obi aminyaye officer Amos o constable e na namu e da ho ntie mo hwe no mo hu se we no enya ade e se bi onam ha no wiye e ye car e na abono ntie mo hwehwe mu no mo hwehwe mu na omote say anajono obi de car ebo obi a or the car ni be see filling station boy filling station e wo wantie e ma obi be fa car ni bi ko sunyane enti omo bo anan ko filling station ho e ko pay CCTV footage ni through that and omo hu say e Paluk Adams of Viana Stars and they be said bisa enyambe asem no enti omo hwehwe mu a omo sa ka police and then you are make us say police other police custody oh one fear na no pay and I'm yes I'm call one fear na makopen sending twemu because I no pani enya no fear ka police ebe court 9 a.m. enti me do one fear be say 8:45 and I'm call headquarters for police station ho enti me do one and na me hu say police for no party police amana be pro car omo tra samono nya de e bi no one fear omo de ko Bono regional capital sunyane eho na ye bi asamono ko enti omo be pro car na na omo ye so mo ko one fear sunyane enti me imagine sanka me ko sunyane na makwa ko tiensam no se me be tiako enti ni dina ho na manstru Ediana Stars communication director any supporters chairman Kwajaduman I friend Kwajigo omo be so no ho na eni omo e hwe kwan e be fa so e be ko sunyane Ejina wa na ewu se community police for ibi be ye se nipa miensa e ko nan omo bai e na mo se aman state wuni mo na mo ko ye interview oba bi se na Paluk Viana Stars e japade na mo be bo na mo ba na bo ni do ni abusia ne ti e be kasa se en kasa ne omo bi omo sa ke kai fine pa enya sam ketwa me ka se yan ti an ko sunyan na wasi e dan ye ni badoma nti se si amino kasa idie no wadoma sunyan ni nya be se yi ko
Dabi omo community police one de omo say come say my day
say my story interview say boy no Viana Stars e japade Paluk any Viana Stars for contract enti Paluk ne busuafo ne Viana for enti asam na aba no enya de omo afo no omo tanati na bi e be ko bia no omo tanati nti omo nti afi sense and so far samba ya ne se kan ye fe nti no omo nti afi so omo de omo sa ke kan ye kakra fan ye yi
oh but we okay there because
yeah be fun is part of the job you know initially I'm can be fun is
oh kafra why what you da CP Angie ne honsema odi abrey okay for Angie and the nsem if you abrey Andy